Hello, Japanese learners! 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語の勉強を頑張っていますか？ Are you looking for the best way to learn kanji to pass JLPT test? My name is Sayaka. I am Japanese. I teach Japanese as a professional. I upload kanji video every day, starting from N5 and 4. Eventually, I will get to N2. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. それでは始めましょう。These are the today's kanji. They look the same but slightly different. Pay attention to the differences each other helps you to remember correctly. You're gonna have JLPT quiz at the end, so stay focused. The meaning is dog. On is ken. Kun is inu. Radical is this kanji itself. You have dot upper right corner. These are the words with this kanji. Across, release, release, and dots on the right corner. Koinu, koinu. A guide dog or service dog, they help blind people. Modoken, modoken. The meaning is great, thick. On is tai, ta. Kun is futoi. Radical is dai. You have dot in the middle. These are the words with this kanji. Across, release, release, and then dot in the middle. The sun, 太陽, 太陽. The boy's name Taro. Taro is very common name in Japan. Taro-kun. Taro-kun. Become fat is a verb, futoru. And futoru's ta form is futotta. 1 kilo futotta means I gain 1 kilogram. 1 kilo futotta. The meaning is heaven. On is 10. Kun is ame, ama. Radical is dai. Pay attention, it's not sticking out. These are the words with this kanji. Across, across, long, short, attach the center, release, attach, release. Weather, tenki, tenki. Fine weather, we said いい天気, いい天気. Genius, 天才, 天才. Milky Way, 天の川, 天の川. The meaning is husband. On is bu. Kun is otto. Radical is dai. Pay attention, it's sticking out. These are the words with this kanji. Across, across, short, long, the center, release, attach, release. This is common expression, alright, okay, or safe. 大丈夫、大丈夫. The meaning is lose, slip. On is 失. Kun is 失う. Radical is die. There is katakana no upper left corner. These are the words with this kanji. You write katakana no, attach, across, across, long, short, from here, release, attach, release. Impolite or rude person. 失礼な人。失礼な人。To fail is 失敗する。失敗する。lose memory. memory は記憶。記憶を失う。記憶を失う。Step 4 Flashcards. Please repeat after me. 子犬。子犬。太る。太る。太陽。太陽。大丈夫。大丈夫。天気。天気。天才。天才。天の川。天の川。失う。失う。失礼な。失礼な。失敗。失敗。Step 5 JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. The answer is 1番。The answer is 4番。天の川。The answer is 2番。失敗。I hope you did pretty good on the reading test. If you like it, let me know by clicking the like button below. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。